Hey, I'll give you here Friday the 10th. As you can see, beautiful day here in the mountains. Cold though, 20 degrees. But hey, it's refreshing. It's all good. Uh, One noted observation about this, Let There Be Light project. It really comes down to anymore, like prior to these LED and rechargeable battery situation, what did we do? We bought a flashlight that usually ran on a C battery, some D, some multiple C's, multiple D's, some AA, some AAA. And we had to have a supply of good, fresh batteries by Radiovac, Duracell, right? Et cetera, on hand. So we had a storage issue. We had to make sure those batteries were fresh, right? And we had to make sure they were not leaking inside the devices, right? So the advancement takes us to a rechargeable battery, which is great. I've used the AA and AAA rechargeables for quite some time, and they're save you money. They hold the charge. You can recharge them 1,000 times. It's great. But now, as you move into these more smart type flashlights, I notice that flashlights, just like blades, you want to play with them. So blades, you call it action, right? You're flipping it, you're thumbing it, you're wristing it, and the only thing that's going to happen there, you're going to have a failure of deployment, possibly something's going to bind up, possibly something might break, locking mechanism, etc. Flashlights, the more you play with them, you have to be aware that you're draining down that rechargeable battery. Now, you would hope that the AI of that flashlight informs you, the user, hey, we're getting low. So you're looking for some type of indication. So usually that's by a form of a flashing light, right? Flashing red, whatever, green, yellow, whatever's going on there. And now, as you move into better flashlights and better technology, there's a little screen that shows you the battery and the strength and blah, 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 blah. Which leads me to the feature of runtime, where they claim, for example, 5 lumens is going to run 100 hours, and then 25 runs 80 hours. You know what I'm talking about there. They give you that type of spec. Well, I have to say that spec might be a continuous runtime, because it sure is not on and off runtime. The on and off runtime is really short, and I'm finding it out with all of the flashlights I have. They're all having the same problem. If I sit there and, go through the modes and, fool around with them and test them, compare them to each other, and then walk around the house. I got one upstairs, one downstairs, one in my pocket. Whatever I'm doing, using them, walking the dogs, whatever it is, okay? I'm noticing I'm at the charging again, like last night. 3 of the little ones I had to recharge. Specifically, the one that really shocked me was the Olight Clip Pro. That was completely dead. And I don't think I've used the Olight Clip Pro much, because I got the AceBeam and the ED23 by Nikkor, and you know the videos. So if you're having that same problem, or you notice that, please let me know. And please let me know what you're carrying today, based on your mission. I'm going to try to put, like I've reported the other day, I'm going to try to put some type of fixed blade on a sling bag. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to lash the Cold Steel SRK Compact or the Rake Hornet. I'm going to try the little one and the big one and see which one's going to go where. And I guess we got to brush up on knots, right? We got bank line, so it should be easy to lash the sheath to the bag. But that's what we're going to be doing, hopefully today, in between the other stuff. All right, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.